Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken noodle soup. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Chicken noodle soup can take many forms, but this time we will be learning how to make with egg noodles and wonton dumplings, one version of chicken noodles Thai style. Let's go make the Thai street food version of chicken noodle or bát mì Kiew. Talk about what noodles mean. It means dough without yeast made into long string. Spaghetti is noodles, but this pasta isn't. Bát mì noodles made with eggs and rice flours. And also pan Kiew is also made from egg and rice flour as well, but it isn't noodles. Wonton is a form of dumpling that is filled, and the usual fillings are minced chickens with shrimps or minced pork with shrimps. So the dumpling is the Asian equivalent of Italian ravioli. Let's go make the broth. Chicken bone, galangal. I crush the galangal first. Crush garlic and crush cilantro root or coriander root. Crush white pepper, some of sea salt, cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, goji berry. Crush pickled garlic and some of the water of the pickled garlic. Radish to add the sweet taste. 1 liter water, or just to cover the stuff. From the beginning, you can turn the heat on to high, and once the soup boiled, then lower the heat down to medium, so it simmer. And then I will add soy sauce. You can also use rock sugar or palm sugar, but I prefer to use rock sugar. Oops. Bang chai, which is the Chinese herbs, but if you haven't got it, it doesn't matter. You can skip it. We will simmering for 45 minutes. While we're waiting, prepare wonton filling. Chop the shrimp first. You can also mince the shrimps, but I prefer to do this way because I want to taste the shrimp. So for the chicken, you can mince it by using the knife and chop over the chicken and turn around and chop it over until the chicken's minced. And also you can do in the food processor. Now put chicken in the mixed bowl, shrimp, soy sauce, coriander root and white pepper powdered together. Brown sugar, oyster sauce, some of chopped spring onion, mix them well, and leave it in the fridge for about at least 30 minutes. But if you have time, you can leave it overnight in the fridge. Katie, let me show you one.
Guys, I'm a big girl already. I'm wearing these clothes.
Okay, Katie, can you cut in circle
Okay.
like that? Oops, sorry.
And then you press it down.
Yes, press it
And
down
then stir it.
like that.
Hey, they have two in there.
After you've done that, you give it to Luke, and Luke will put some minced chicken and shrimp in the middle.
I don't know how to pick it up. It's so hard.
Put the water. Put the water like circle round. Then, oops.
Eddie, it looks like Elsa wearing these clothes.
Ooh. Not put too many in the middle. Otherwise, you cannot cover it all up. Then make it beautiful with a fork.
Beautiful with a fork and make it like a hat.
Easy, right?
Why is it so easy for you?
Fun, Katie.
Yeah. Thing is, I saw my brother inside the video. So much fun.
Yeah, can you move it over here?
Guys, it's the shape of the same one. Look.
Give to Luke. Triangle one.
Hey, that's a new side. I don't want to do that.
What do you mean?
I don't want to do that with that gooey thing. Mommy, can I don't do it with that gooey thing? I don't want to do it with the gooey thing, Mommy. Can I do it with the water though? And not the gooey thing.
Katie, look.
What? A triangle. That's so easy for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Make it through the cutter. Oh. Guys, if you don't let it stay together, it will be.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like it will be just like the broken parts that it just made. Yeah, it will be like this. It will be like this, guys. Like this. If you do it wrong, it was like this. Right, guys? Mommy, ha. Mommy, ha.
Huh. Let's put our dish together. First of all, I will boil bean sprout and bok choy. Bok choy and bean sprout don't have to boil it too long. This one called egg noodles. Before we boil it, we shake off the flour. Shake it in hot water as well. When you see the noodles colors clear, which means the noodles cook, and looks the colors is nice and golden, that's how you know that is egg noodle. To stop the noodles to stuck to each other. Kiew. When the wonton cook, you will see the colors the color will be changed. Just remember, you need to cook the meat inside, not only wonton.
People